Familiar kayo sa prediction?
Yes!
So, prediction is actually something that will happen in the future, but you will actually know it bago pa mangyari. So, prediction is right here. Yan, wag muna natin bubuksan, pero can somebody hold this for me? Sino kayo pwede humawak? Yes.
Akin na.
Siya. Okay, akisan na kaya. Sige, okay na, akisan.
Dito lang ako.
Yan, sige.
Magaling humawak yan. Yung bike, hindi ko nabibitawan for
Baka mabigat natin sa. Sige, dyan mo na. Dyan mo na lang, akisan. Yeah, so that's a prediction. So, papahawak ko muna kay Ate Sam para just in case hindi nyo isipin na there's switching will happen. Wala nang switch na mangyayari. She's holding it now, so I'll be starting it right now. So, familiar kayo rito? So, it's a famous game.
Mahjong.
Bingo!
Bingo.
It's a Scrabble. So,
Scrabble.
yeah. So, it's wait, para madaling ipak.
Scrabble yan.
Yeah, Scrabble. So, you get letters, and then there are numbers on the letters, so there are points if you can form a word. Sa si Ate Ai na. Ate Ai, can you please help me here? Palakpakan naman si Ate Ai.
Masaya pa ba dapat?
Ate Ai, can you give me... Huwag mo titignan yung letters para it's a surprise. Give me one. Yeah, give me one letter.
Titignan ko.
No?
Ha?
Para surprise siya.
Ganun.
Then I'll put it here sa... Dito nilalapag siya kanyang case niya. Okay. We have one letter here.
Isa pa?
Yeah, 7. 7.
7.
Para makompleto natin yung whole, natin. Second letter
3.
here.
4.
Third letter. We have third letter. We have the, magaganda yung numbers.
5.
This is the fifth letter.
6.
Number
Last
6
one.
ulit and last one.
7.
Seventh
Hindi
letter.
tinignan.
Ayan. Meron tayong 7 letters, Ate Ai. So, guys, pakitulungan nyo nga ako mag-form ng word dito. So, ito yung mga letters na nakuha mo.
Corn.
Corn?
Corny.
Unicorn.
Corny.
Yeah.
Unicorn.
Unicorn.
Ay, ba?
Ay, galing
Kanino
mo!
talaga ni Kuya Alan? Ano pala pa natin si Kuya Alan?
Expert.
So, we form... Ate, recap natin, Ate Ai was getting letters, 7 letters. Now, na-form niya ang word na unicorn. Right? So, it was all you.
Yes.
Ikaw kumuha lahat ng letters. I didn't force you to do anything. Ikaw lahat kumuha. It's a free choice. And Kuya Lakin yung nakaano ng unicorn. Okay, so, Ate,
Hindi, kasi imposible eh.
Yan ha.
would it be...
Instructions.
Yeah, would it be amazing kung magmamatch yung prediction
Oo
ko
naman.
sa na-form na word
Paano nangyari yun?
ni Ate Ai? Can you open it?
Parang, talaga ba?
Yeah, can you open what's inside?